characteristics. The student objective is that the student is expected to observe, record, and compare how the physical characteristics of plants help them meet their basic needs, such as stems carrying water throughout the plant.
Ms. Robinette here. Today we're going to be talking about plant characteristics.
Different structures of the plant help them meet their basic needs of water, nutrients, air, and sunlight. Plants have roots, stems, leaves, and flowers that are all different shapes, colors, and sizes. But all plant structures must meet the same needs for water, nutrients, air, and sunlight. Roots secure a plant and absorb water and nutrients from the soil. Stems of plants carry water to the other parts of the plant, and leaves absorb and use sunlight for energy. Three basic structures are common to most plants: a root system to absorb water and nutrients from the soil, stems with tubes to carry water to the rest of the plant, and leaves to absorb and use sunlight to make plant food for energy. Leaves also absorb the carbon dioxide in the air to combine with sunlight and water to make plant food. The plants they will be investigating include the green soft-stemmed plants like daisies or grass, and woody stem plants like rose bushes and oak trees. Although mosses, ferns, and conifers are plants, you will not study these flowering plant groups.
Hi CMS scholars, this is Miss Robinette, and this is a squash plant in my garden. You'll notice that we have leaves, a flower, and a baby fruit, where the flower has been pollinated and a squash is growing. Eventually, the squash will grow to about this size. This one's from the grocery store, but one day it'll be this big. CMS scholars, this is an onion plant in my garden. If you'll notice, the part of the plant that we like to use is actually found under the ground. It is a part of the root. Can you see the onion?
Physical characteristics of plants help them survive in different environments. Plants are found everywhere, and these diverse environments influence the shape of plant structures. Water plants like pond lilies have large, single broad leaves that can float on water and absorb sunlight. Lily roots are shallow because they are already in plenty of water. However, desert plants like cactus have broader waxy stems that keep water in and small spiny leaves to protect the cactus from predators. The root system in a cactus will grow very wide to absorb any available water. Tree roots grow very deep to support the large tree trunk, which is an oversized stem that carries water to smaller branches and leaves. Crowded rainforest plants compete for sunlight, so many grow as vines climbing into the top of the trees. Some plants protect their seeds by producing fruit and having the seeds stored inside the fruit. Some plants do not grow tall and have short leaves to conserve energy in cold environments. Other plants lose their leaves in the fall to conserve energy and sprout new ones in the spring. This week your assignment is an at-home exploration to plant a seed. Take a seed from a piece of fruit and plant it in some soil. As the days go by to make observations, draw pictures of how the seed is changing. If you do not have the resources, such as seed or soil to plant, there is a video at the at-home exploration page. You can watch that and use that to make your drawing. I can't wait to see what you come up with.